Hello everyone. My name is Abhirup Pal. My roll number is 21CE10002, and for my DIY assignment 2, I have made this temperature detecting system that can be used in heavily powered machinery systems to keep a check on the temperature and the heating effect of that machine. Right. So what it does basically is like if the temperature is in a certain region, it'll show us the temperature, it'll show us the range with the help of these three LEDs, and it'll try to keep a check on the temperature by using this fan kind of a thing, right? So this servo basically mirrors the action of a fan, and these three LEDs will give us the range of the temperatures. Like if the temperature is in a safe zone, like if it is less than 35 degrees centigrade, for example in this case. So this green LED will be lighted up, and if the temperature is between 35 degrees centigrade and 80 degrees centigrade, this yellow LED will be lighted up, and this red LED will be lighted up. So if the temperature is greater than or equal to 80 degrees centigrade, right? And this piezo speaker, this kind of alarm kind of works like a like a fire alarm kind of a thing. Like if the temperature is way too high, then this piezo speaker will be turned on, right? And this basically this whole thing basically is dependent on this temperature sensor. Like it will just check with it will check the temperature of the surroundings, right? And I have used these three resistors to keep a check on the current that the LEDs that will be flowing through the LEDs. The resistances of these resistances are 1 kilo ohm each, and I have used a source of 5 volt I have used a source of 5 volt here, and so let's have a look at the code. So what this code does is it will first of all read, just a moment. So it will first of all read the temperature from this temperature sensor. So it will first of all read the temperature from this temperature sensor, and if the temperature is greater than or equal to 80 degrees centigrade, this red LED will be lighted up, and this piezo speaker will be played, as I said, with a certain frequency. And if the temperature is less than 80 degrees centigrade but greater than 35 degrees centigrade, then this speaker will be turned off if it was previously on, and this yellow LED will be lighted up, and this fan, this servo, this will try to keep a check on the temperature, try to decrease the temperature by rotating, right? And and in case if the temperature is less than 35 degrees centigrade as well, then it will basically show us that the temperature, that the machine is in safe zone and it can work properly, and it will show us it will basically turn on the green LED. And if any of these two were on, if any of these two were previously on, then it will turn them off, right? So so let's just start the simulation. So as you can see, this green LED is lighted up because the temperature here is 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, so let's just increase the temperature. So so if the temperature is greater than 35 degrees centigrade, here as you can see it's 38 degrees centigrade, and this servo starts rotating, and this yellow LED has been turned on. And if I keep increasing the temperature, right, it's once it crosses 80 degrees centigrade, just a moment. So once it crosses 80 degrees centigrade, this red LED was turned on, as you can see once again. Here this red LED is turned on, and this piezo speaker starts playing. So that's how it can keep a check on the temperature, and it can show us like when the danger, what can be like when to check for like how when the temperature is way too high and all. Yeah, so here I have shown you the code in blocks. I can also convert this to text. Let's just do that, and I can just copy this code. Yeah, so that's it basically. That's it from my side. So thanks for watching.